Thank you very much. I'm here back kuonyesha venye maneno inaendelea. You remember I posted that there is a client who is at America ambaye alikuwa anapelekewa cages pale Olkarau, and thank God because my team were able to go and they installed the cage. The birds were 256. The feeds from Spenza company we delivered, they were 11 bags of grower mash. As you can see, the birds are enjoying feeding. We did the modification according to the size of the warehouse of the client. Na hapo ndipo kuku ziko. You see how they are eating, zinakunywa maji through the nipples. Zikianza kutaga zaidi itakuwa hapo. Saa hii nimeweka huyu mkulima kwa group ya mayai because I know in the next 1 month atakuwa naokota mayai. So if you are there, you are interested to start this venture, kindly feel free to call my number 0717 108 735. Remember, as I always tell you, unaweza piga simu upate niko busy, unaweza chat respond kwa TikTok upate niko busy, but whenever you write an SMS and you tell me how many birds you are willing to start with all over WhatsApp and you tell me your location, I'll just respond back with the quotation. So hizi kuku ziko fully vaccinated na zimepewa chakula vizuri venye zinafaa from my farm all the way from Thika, na tukazipeleka hadi huko Olkarau to this client who is in America. You can see even the feeds ziko hapo za Spenza. The reason why we are dealing with the Spenza, they are dealing with quality feeds ambazo you don't have regret, it is value for your money. 0717 108 735 or 0702 875 358. Disability is not inability. Work with Francis Wakuku and you'll never regret. Thank you. God bless you all.